Hello everyone, welcome to a discussion on valuation of goodwill under super profit methods. Dear students, during the last session we were discussed about the various methods of valuation of goodwill, and of that the first method of valuation of goodwill, that is a normal profit method, has been discussed with the problems in two sub methods, that is through average profit method and another one is weighted average profit method. And dear students, during this session I am going to discuss about the methods of valuation of goodwill with a problem on valuation of goodwill under purchase of super profit method. So then what is this purchase of super profit method? So here under super profit method we have four various kinds of methods for valuation of goodwill. Of that, the first method is purchase of super profit method, and the second one is sliding scale valuation of super profit method. Third one is annuity method of super profit, and the fourth one is capitalization of super profit methods. And dear students, throughout this session I am going to have a discussion on the first method of super profit, that is purchase of super profit method. And now what is this to be dealt regarding the first method, that is purchase of super profit method? So it's nothing but it is just we have to compare the average profit with the normal profit. Here under this method we have to follow four important steps. The first step is to ascertain the average profit, and after finding out the average profit of the firm, then we have to work out for a normal profit. The second step is ascertainment of a normal profit, and then we have to go for the third step, that is to finding out of super profit. And after finding the super profit, then we have to go for the fourth step, that is a value of goodwill. And regarding those things we have various formulas in order to ascertain the average profit. Just you have learned in the last session how to find out the average profit. So for finding the average profit we have to take the total of previous year's profits, that is the last year's profits or the past year profits, and divided by the number of years, then we will get the average profit. That's you have already learned about that clearly in the last session. And now the thing is how to get normal profit. The normal profit can be ascertained by using this formula. Just I have taken here a formula, that is average capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Then what is this average capital employed? This is the capital employed in our own business. This is what the average capital employed. And normal rate of return. What is this normal rate of return? This is the rate of return to be earned by the similar type of firms on an average, that is which we can call as a normal rate of return, and it is to be divided by 100. And then we have to go for the last formula, that is value of goodwill. Here the formula is super profit into number of years purchase. So by this we can complete the theoretical aspect of the purchase of super profit method of valuation of goodwill. And dear students, now let us go for one example. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೊಳಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. First of all, they were given average capital employed in the business rupees 2 lakh. Average capital employed business ನಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then average profit earned rupees 50,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Normal rate of return expected at 15% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So they were given three important information. One is given average capital employed ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, average profit ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, normal rate of return ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then the value of goodwill is based on the 4 years purchase of the super profit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಅವರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? First of all, we have to find out the average profit. So calculation of average profit is the first step. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, average profit calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Average profit is equal to total profit of past years divided by number of years. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 50,000 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ₹50,000. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. Okay, now the second step is here calculation of normal profit. So normal profit calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Here normal profit is equal to average capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ average capital employed ಬೇಕು. So look at the problem. Here they were given the first item as average capital employed in the business rupees 2 lakh. The same amount of 2 lakh is to be taken here, right? And into normal rate of return. So here normal rate of return is given in the problem. It is at a 15%. The third information is given regarding that. That is rupees. It is at a 15%. So the same is to be taken here 15 upon 100. Then we will get the normal profit of rupees 30,000. 2 lakh into 15%. It is amounted to rupees 30,000, which is calculated as a normal profit. And now we have to move towards the third step, that is a calculation of a super profit. Then for finding the super profit, we have to use the formula here. Here average profit minus normal profit is equal to super profit, right? So in the first step we have got average profit, and in the second step we have got normal profit. So by subtracting the normal profit from the average profit, we will get super profit. Here the average profit as per the first step 50,000, and normal profit as per the second step 30,000. The difference is 20,000, and that difference is called here as a super profit. I hope that you are getting cleared with the explanation. And now by getting this super profit, now we can go towards the fourth step, that is calculation of value of goodwill. Is the last step of this problem. And in order to get the value of goodwill, we have a formula here as super profit into number of years purchase. So as this problem is based on the purchase of super profit, now we have to purchase the number of years of profit here. That's super profit here. And here the super profit just we have calculated through the step number 3, and that is rupees 20,000. To this we have to multiply 4 years purchase. So it is given in the problem clearly. That is number of year purchase here is 4 years. 4 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟು ದಟ್ 20,000 we have to multiply with 4 years as a purchase, and now by this we will get the result 80,000, and which is called as the value of goodwill. So dear students, this is a very simple method to determine the value of goodwill, or to compute the value of goodwill under purchase of super profit method. So dear students, throughout this session we have discussed about the valuation of goodwill under purchase of super profit through a problem. And in the next session we will go through a problem on valuation of goodwill under sliding scale valuation of super profit method, which is very interesting and important. Wait for the next session. And these are my references. You can go through these references. Thank you very much.